Hey guys, so I was trying to figure out why my signal light wasn't flashing before. I'll show you. So I installed my new lights, and whenever you choose your selector, it won't flash. And they gave me this block. I wasn't sure what it was, but I guess this is the obviously the flasher. So what I did was I popped off the 2 bolts on that side, 2 on the other, and there's one underneath that goes right about there where those notches are, and you just got to pull the sides off. I find that it sticks on here obviously because there's a lip, and right here is the magic box that I needed to switch. I was really confused because it's the tail lights, obviously. Back here, the new LED tail lights. I didn't think it would be in the front, but again, this is the first Grom I've kind of been working on. There's this just hooked on there with the rubber. You can just slide it right off. And this is the original flasher. You can take that off. Take this orange guy. I did find that the prongs did sit different compared to the stock one. And that circle there is where you adjust the speed for your flasher. The stock one was set fine. I'll show you what it is maxed right now. Make sure you put the leads in the right side, otherwise it won't work appropriately. So that's max speed. It's gonna flash really fast. I've seen a lot of bikes with that. I'm not huge into it. I'm gonna make mine go a little bit slower, probably the slowest. It's closer to like a car. Bear with me. So I just took a little flathead screw bit and stuck it in the little hole there, and I spun it. Boom. So I just spun it all the way to the right to slow it down. There we go. Now we've got a normal flash. So I'm going to be taking these guys off and using that as my stock flash. Hope that helped, guys. I know I was kind of confused and wish there were some videos or something, but now there is.